going to make a corn. You have to take 2 color papers, 1 marker and 1 scissors. So I am going to begin to make the corn. Now I am going to fold the color paper like this. Now I am going to cut this part. We have to cut this part because we need a square paper. This part will get a square paper and this will not, because that's a waste paper. Now I am going to open this part. Now I am going to fold this part like this. Now I am going to do the same thing like this. Now I am going to fold this part together like this. Now I am going to fold this part like this. Almost done my leaf. Now I'm going to take over this part like this. The corn leaf should be like this. Now I am going to make the corn. Now I have to also make the same thing. Now, to make this square, I should cut this part. Now we have to fold like a triangle. Now I'm going to open, and now I'm going to fold this part like this. Like this, and I should bring it out and fold one more time like this. Then in this side I should do the same thing. Should fold like a triangle and also take it out and then put one triangle. Now I should fold this part like this. This part should come in this part. Now I will show you how to do it. Now the same thing I have to do in this side. Now in this part I have folded it like this, and also in another side. Now I should put this like I should put lines for the corn. This is how my corn looks.